In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with files in Google Drive using Gemini. This is an exciting feature that can really enhance your productivity and make managing your documents much easier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Drive, which is your go-to place for storing and managing all your files online. Once you're there, locate the Ask Gemini option, which you can find at the top right corner of your screen. This is where the magic happens. What's great about Gemini is that it allows you to have a direct chat with your files. This means you can easily interact with your documents and get information without needing to sift through everything manually. It's perfect for when you have multiple files and need specific details quickly. When you click on Ask Gemini, a prompt box will appear right on your screen. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Type the @ symbol in this box. This action pulls up a list of your specific files, folders, or even PDFs available in your Google Drive. It's a handy way to narrow down your conversation to only the documents you need. Think of it as selecting the exact topic you want to discuss, making your chat more focused and efficient. Once you've picked your specific file, feel free to ask Gemini anything. You can pose questions like, "What are the key points in this document?" Or, "Can you summarize this report for me?" You can also compare details across multiple files, which is immensely helpful if you're trying to figure out differences or similarities between related documents. Imagine preparing for a presentation and needing insights from several reports at once. Gemini makes it a breeze. But that's not all. After you receive answers, you'll notice that Gemini provides source citations. This is a fantastic feature because it allows you to verify details directly back to your original files. If something piques your curiosity or you need more context, those citations will take you straight back to the relevant sections in your documents. So you've got a powerful tool right at your fingertips that enables you to interact with your files in a conversational tone, making information gathering quicker and more intuitive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who manages a lot of documents, this can save you a tremendous amount of time. As we wrap up, make sure to take full advantage of this feature. Experiment with different types of questions and see how Gemini can assist you across various documents. This tool is all about enhancing your workflow and taking your Google Drive experience to the next level. If you ever find yourself stuck or unsure of how to use a feature, remember you can always refer back to this video or check out online resources for further guidance. Thanks for joining me today in this exploration of how to chat with files in Google Drive using Gemini. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps others discover useful tips just like this one. Happy chatting with your files.